Alright guys, we are at Crossroads Meats in Adelphi, Ohio. We're here to pick up a quarter of a beef. You can read the sign there. Beef, pork, chicken, fish, pulled pork, smoked brisket. They have a little smoker out here. They do all that stuff. Jerky and snacks. They make everything here. Here are their hours. We are here to pick up a quarter of a beef. It's going to equal out to $4.49 a pound. Here's what it looks like inside. They're running low on some things. You're running low on some hamburger patties, yeah. Tomahawk steaks here. Alright, I got it home. We're in the garage. That's why the floor looks so nasty. But I got a whole basket, laundry basket, full of meat. I got this big bag full of meat. Box full of hamburger. This box is full of the neck bones, all the bones, and the fat, because Billy wants to make beef broth and boil it down for some tallow. And we got this one full of steaks and roast. And there is the fat and the bones. Alright guys, here is the receipt so you can see what we got. There's the address. Check them out, guys. All right, here we go. Freezer is full. Whew. Now we got to work on getting that away from the vent. So we want it to work properly. We don't want to go to the waste. So guys, if you're ever in the area of Adelphi, Ohio, try out Crossroads Meats. If they have stuff in their freezers that you can just grab and go. They have already smoked pork chops, which I like to get. And the barbecue, they already go ahead and make it up. So good. So guys, enjoy your week and have a great day, and we'll see you next time. Peace out.